Hey there, medical fans. Today we're going to talk about the use of gloves and pimple popping. Are they necessary? First of all, it's recommended you don't pop pimples at all. It can cause scarring, secondary infection, and make your acne worse. If you really must pop them, use a comedone extractor, like the one they're using here. What about gloves though? According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, gloves reduce hand contamination by 70 to 80%. So that protects you and the people whose pimples you're popping. The average person's skin has staph bacteria living on it, and sometimes the antibiotic-resistant strain MRSA. A MRSA infection looks like this. Trust me, you don't want it. Take a look at these clips. You can see how, if you're not careful, bacteria could easily be spread around. So it might seem like overkill, but since gloves are cheap and available, it never hurts to be cautious. So what do you think? Should you really use gloves when you're popping pimples, or is it overkill? Leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. And to help keep things safe and sterile, as a bonus, we're throwing in a free 10-pack of nitrile gloves. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.